To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Public report again. Yeah. Why do you judge me for things I say? Should I apologize? Things didn't work your way. Is there a fee I've got to pay? You're working hard to hurt my feelings. It ain't working. Do you still believe in love? Or is it just a word you say? Do you still believe in me? 'Cause my heart is still in love with you. I know things weren't always fine, but I would find the time for you. Working late night shifts, so many times I wish that I was home alone with you. Baby, please don't break my heart in two.
Room, my brother, what go on?
World will fall apart if there's no
Yeah.
you. I wanna spend
Where you say thing not active? No, my youth. Where you say you can't make it tonight then? Alright then. Know yourself then, man. Me par the same Rasta youth when me normally par with then. Cause boy, you gotta look good too, you know. Eh. Boss, I live happy life, man, and right now, want to so either you know, my boy, either him have to go or the girl I go in a car. Right now, want the girl I know, boy, cause mama look like she active with you, you know. And no sir, where you hear that from? No sir, nothing like that, man. Mama look good for you, boy. Only if you couldn't see her for yourself, you wouldn't know, say, yo, what that going for you. Eh. No, sir. Yeah. You say you want happy life, sir. Happy life, ma look. Nah, look none with nobody right now, you know. But, boy, you look good. Yeah. Yeah, what you say, man? Alright. Now, try your far then. Alright. Look more.
Oh Lord. What going, Gally? So hold up a something. What going right now? I don't know what to think. I don't know what to say. But I'm gonna just try to put it in a film with one word so you can understand. Anyways, you know my boyfriend, right? Alright. You know what, so I feel like saying my high things. I'm really and truly now I go through your phone. Because I feel like if I go through your phone, I go see him enough to see. And then when I see him enough to see, it will blow out a proportion and I go want to kill him. You don't know what I say? This man. Me can't sit down with him and have a good conversation. It's like he have other woman out the road. As he come in at night time, he knock right out. He hardly have time for me. Yeah, you look surprised. He hardly have time for me. He we out the road. Carly said, our time now? 2 o'clock. Out the road, 2 o'clock. And that you best believe that man not coming until around, Carly, 5 o'clock, midday, 5 o'clock, or 5:30, that man just a marching.
Really?
And then when me go to him to talk to him, he nah meds me. All he do, take off his clothes, go bed, and go in bed. I know my intention, my brain at
Listen, my friend.
You don't know what to do.
How much rum bar pass in the area?
Multiple.
Holy, though.
Can't count.
Normally when people have stress, you know, then go to the rum bar and then sit down and they have a drink and cool them brain. Wrong, I'm right.
That's true.
Then again, you talk about how you don't want to search the man's phone. Why you don't want to search the man's phone? Because you don't want to see nothing what go hurt you. Let me tell you something, my friend. They have a saying, so when you search the man's phone, you see something, you will drop down. But it's better you drop down more than you go out the road and people are take a feed that and people are telling this and that. You don't want to find out things before it go no further.
You want to find out things.
Search the man's phone, girl. Search the man's phone and see what you look for. Look for things where in your brain, because sometimes that's how we women stay. Anything where we are think about, that's how you go. Search the man's phone and you will see enough things in there. And nobody drop down. Look out for unexpected things. Some of them will come, boy. You don't really want to search man's phone. When man get a chance to search your phone, they must search it. So you better search the man's phone before you hold fear and search it. Boy.
But that's the thing, nothing on my phone. You have no my password.
Okay.
Come and hide nothing.
Okay, so what? I mean, no, say him and search your phone 1 and 2 times when I look.
That's not really relevant to me right now. You could have searched. You can't go through anything you want to go through.
My friend, this type of life where we are live is no joke. Like a joke there? Eh?
Anyways, me have my phone, you know. Yeah, me travel with it.
So what if you have a phone?
Me no want go through it.
Girl, give me the phone, let me search it. You idiot, let me search it if you don't want, if you don't want to go through it. You come like a some man tete. You idiot. Eh?
You know my password?
Eh? Oh.
And my name.
Oh, you don't want to search my phone like you don't have no sense. WhatsApp. Who is Keisha?
I'm my auntie.
Are your auntie? Oh. Who is Kelly? 488856.
My cousin.
Oh, alright.
How are you?
Who named Tight Hole?
Huh?
Alright. Hold on, let me go down tonight. I should have seen my glasses in the side. When are we going to meet up again? Love you, baby. Best something upon earth.
Eh?
You know what? We don't send them to you.
Yeah, continue.
Love me, woman, but me love you more. Hey! Hey!
Hold on. Back up.
Hey!
Read that again.
Love me, woman, but me love you more. See it? Are you saying that's just of a man? Eh? Man tete. What is?
I know what to
What
do.
is? Yeah, your man make one. Nonsense. My girl, you know see how me I live? Me I live free. You know see that? One of them rum bar the way pass, and then me go sit down at night time. Drink rum and relax myself. You come over here with man stress like you want cup. Hey, let me tell you something, my friend. My friend, look how you look good. Look how your body firm.
I know.
Are you really worried about man? Anyways, what?
I don't worry about man, you know. You know, say me a idiot. Come to think of it, me a idiot, you know. Me a idiot. Me a big idiot. Me know how to do thanks here. Me know how to do.
You know the funniest thing about it? Wake up and can't see you and can't even get the chance to call you. Because I can't find my phone.
Where you go last night?
Oh, what do you mean I go last night? I'm not talking to you already from last night this morning and every time. Wow.
Who you go out with last night?
Me and my brethren go out last night.
You're your brethren and who?
Me and my brethren.
So who are your brethren?
Listen to me, you know, you think already, man. Sometimes when you really know people name, you just see like, wow, my brethren, everything goes, yeah, up top.
Male or female?
I'm a general then.
What you call general?
One of them are one girl. You understand? But I've my brethren girl that. And I'm go par. Yo, I don't understand what your question. How your question, Mr. For
where your phone there?
At that, me said to you before, babe. Me I said me don't know my phone there. You have no idea my phone there? What you laugh so? You laugh so, you know, me, hey. Me catch
I eat that to take me for.
How much years I made that again? Oh, I did Jesus.
Who name so? Don't touch it, no. Not touch it. Who name so?
Your phone lock.
Have your phone and enough people of phone. Who name so?
So you say not touch it, so I can't. What? Title?
Read the mess. Hello.
I told you that time, I'm sure. I know so I'm not catching you. You realize I'm not respond to that person on time?
Oh, wow.
You realize I'm not respond to the person
A
on time?
real man, you take me for.
Jesus. Listen to me. I have not responded to the messages.
Oh,
Person.
so me blind. Me can't read. Me not go school. Me not have the subject them.
What?
And that I try to say.
So why this?
Me not done here. And that me I tell you.
So because I go with my brethren, you searched my phone last night, can't sleep. You know what the Bible always say? So a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. And that means that you have something what me not sure about now. Eh?
See before they know what you could have go through
You
it.
delete them, them. Come on.
Okay,
You
me
delete
delete them so that you do. Text your woman them and then delete them because you feel like now go through your phone.
No, but you take your phone before me cannot even think of that. Yeah, just put that in
wow.
perspective. I have not done that, but I'm just saying, what if that's the case?
This is an idiot to take me for.
No, listen to me. Amanda, babe. Don't make we go through this.
No, babe me, no. Do not babe me. Because you babe me and you babe somebody else out the road.
Man, what you mean, babe?
What you mean? What me mean?
I'm not like that.
Oh, really?
Don't judge me because of... So
how are you trying to say? A live phone I tell. No fear phone this, am my phone?
What may I tell you what?
Me say if I no fear phone this.
Why you so loud? Why you so loud?
I know your phone this.
Is obviously not mine, can you have it?
I know your phone this.
Me can have my phone, please? Can I have my phone?
If you do what with it? You want to bet some zeal in your wall?
Yeah, if I can buy it back. Because it's not like...
I'm not going to buy it back, you know.
Alright, listen to me, I say, where are we going with this conversation? Because I don't understand why you at me.
Why you cheat, Palmy, sir?
No, babe, listen, cheating out of style now. Them things that done gone with. Me not depend on them something.
Alright, why you take me for fool?
Me not take you for fool, it's just that people are trying to have conversations with me. And
you're trying to have conversation with them.
If you saw me responded to all these text messages, then you don't say something. Right
but
now,
you respond, that's the point. Just say idiot you take me for.
Listen to me, my friend them right now are Keisha, Theo, Auntie, and cousin, them people.
No, you respond to this. Don't touch it, you know. Don't touch it. Let me even come closer. Come on, I want to draw you by your locks. Now you respond.
And say what? Hello?
Now you respond this.
Which
hello?
Hey, you see, hey. Yo, give me phone. Give me phone. Yo, give me phone, man. Look at what's one bite your phone. Give me phone. Give me phone now. Give me phone, man.
You know what?
Because you sit down to man and relax, man. Because I understand why you making systems. Me not take your phone and search your phone. Make this.
How you just do all
that? It means I take my phone from you. And what?
What you just do a while
Me
ago?
take my phone from you. I want me just do. So, hold on.
Listen.
Take it
And
back.
you girl this out the road
Take
here.
it back. Take it back.
So, hey, me I talk to you. And you girl this out the road where you feel like you can't put your hand on me. Stab your killer
Me
here.
put my hand on you. Me just take my phone. That me do a while ago.
Listen to me.
How me do a while ago?
Me mad here.
Ease up off. Ease up off. Ease up off me.
Me sick up here so here. My half crack.
Alright. Give me.
That me I tell you. Don't run there, so just stroke there with me.
Yes, me put my hand on you because I take my phone from you. Right? Is that what you're saying to me right now?
And the rest of vice out of me neither.
You know
Cause
what?
you come. Where be? Me not even know.
Me I give some time off. See?
You coulda never come back.
Me I give some time off.
Don't come back. Take your piece of frozen hat too.
Girl, let me get walk up and down in the house.
Come. Cause you don't know what say. That big dry head, rasta, ugly man when me claims that me there with a cheat by me. I got trim phone and find some message, so inappropriate message, I'll picture. And then he look upon me and I tell me say, I know what me think. Like he take me for some idiot.
So why you searching man phone for?
What you mean? If you're there with somebody, you go out at night time, you not come in until all after 5. You left from 9 o'clock and you not reach back in until around 5:30. You don't feel suspicious. You that not look suspicious. When he do come in, he not pay you no mind. All he do, beard and guy in bed. He not even yam. He hardly even eat your food. You don't think suspicious. Yeah, I'm a big auntie and I know you go through this.
So you don't know Gatti girl? Gatti just go drink with him friend them come in drunk sometime
So I got you pick up for. No your knees. You pick up.
Me not pick for him side.
And that you do right now. Cause imagine me sit down and say, try to explain. I tell me say, oh, I saw got it and he got and come here. That not concern me. Every night, sir. Every single night. And then what about the girl them I take? I don't know one girl either. I'm more than one.
I must see a problem.
What you mean? What you mean I'm a problem? You grab me up. Grab me up. Good grab up. What you talk about? Everybody make it look like I'm the bad person.
But girl, you know you're aggressive and stay already.
Listen, me now get aggressive unless somebody give me something to get aggressive about. I tell me no mad.
Girl, realize how you see me I look on you. And you have a problem. But still and still, me have a little place because I don't want to mix me up.
Hospital have to come check me, brother. Take the phone. See, we were drunk last night, bro. Someone take the phone and let me feel it.
So, you know play a song, Shaggy. Shaggy song.
Brother, adapt me.
What's up, me?
Brother, I'm trying my best, but give up.
Mm.
The way she attack, you see the girl on him title.
Yeah, man, you did tell me about her, say something nice.
Bump on the girl, brother. The girl text me some things last night and I couldn't go sleep. But I good thing someone respond to them one day.
God,
Yeah,
I'm glad
I'll
too.
be a phone call, make straight
I'm
call.
glad too.
Brother, I'm telling you, right, I'm nervous because she attack some things, but someone I know the way she attack it, me I feel afraid because I don't know who she go talk to.
Oh.
So I should talk to somebody already.
And it's like there's somebody they tell her, be a thing to pull up her head now. So I saw come she come attack you.
Yeah.
Cause she would have just come up, cause a long time she don't attack you already.
Yeah.
If cause same way she know your password and say like she know a long time, but I play fool if you catch wise, but she not catch nothing.
I tell you, I
I'm
walk.
glad it's like miracle upon for your side. So you say we had to look more.
Same thing, man. Yo, so that girl there. I forget 2 or 3 more chop out I brother.
Jaja.
Turn off the jet. Yo, brother.
Me see one last night talk there to man. Go back up the
Yeah,
picture.
man,
But when
brother.
you go, you make me know.
Yeah, me
So we
man.
can step one
Me
time.
a park with them, brother.
Alright.
How about you spend tonight?
I don't know.
You
Watch
call
out,
last
man.
night, brother.
Call
me
it my
tell you.
partner, Jawan.
Oh,
Call it my partner,
eh?
Jawan. Know
I
yourself.
mean, shillings. That
We
is
have
it.
to get all three, girl.
Ah,
Tonight.
brother, you see, the reason I go on so still
Mhm.
and I do road certain way,
Mhm.
cause I guess I know, it's that girl that she do me some things, you know, brother.
Mm.
But she a pretend like say she's a
Normal,
normal.
saint.
Yes, she must see it now, brother. Me I tell her living truth. So
Mm.
really and truly, it's not say me a rebel, but me I live my life. She
Them
do
remember
what she-
one life we have.
Brother, me I tell you, man, she do what she do, and she a pretend and I go on the
I
same
remember we are man.
but she I want go want flex like a she a wear pants, like a she in charge. Brother, me tell you say, right now, if you want next up until the end of the year, me enjoy myself. Straight through.
Jaja.
You understand? So brother, me a shout you know.
Alright, watch out, man.
Me a go back up
Just
here,
I made something, you know. You have to go listen to Kippridge.
Yeah,
How we go listen to Kippridge?
Brother, we talk, man.
Alright,
We talk, man. Easy, brother.
Yeah. Go on now, Browning.
Go on.
Yeah, man, alright.
Yeah, good man.
You look so today.
Oh,
Just look one way.
look one way how.
Different.
Different how.
Me know why you take him now bad way.
No, me not take it as no bad way, but yeah, say me look one way, so me I say, so I go on,
No, say what day. So my boy link me do. And tell me say, woman, him look a problem. But true, me know say, and your woman a friend. Me there say me I come check and see if I know you.
Yo, see rain a fall. Come on, so come chat to me. Cause as a come rain come down.
Like a bad luck me carry so.
Alright. You come like you forget the purpose why you're here. You forget?
What that again?
Where the money there? I money you give me enough. Give me the money. And then we talk afterwards. You can't just come and want chat without giving me the money in my hand. Nothing no go so. Give me the money first and then we chat people business. Come.
So you try pull me in a people business. You think me everybody business guy. Me don't know them business guy.
Hey.
I just want something me come ask you. And you come like say, you want carry me, go and carry me, come and carry me way around so and
Me
go back.
can't carry, go and carry, come because you no money.
Watch out now. Look how more you get it something, man.
Get with something look more.
Look how more you get it, man.
Get what? You come like say, hey.
So you there, kill me if me not have a figure now.
So where you come over here for?
Now if you ask you the question there.
Ask me question again.
I say, my friend link me one day and I tell me say, a woman I go on bad pan him. Cause she'll go in a man phone and search and something and show me know say you and she a friend like that. Me have to come to you to ask if you go to the woman with argument.
Jankro. Cockroach.
Jaja
Come me have some big and they say, you know, come if you spray you. What kind of questions you come and ask me? Jankro, like me I want to mix the people business. Me like a salt.
Never say how you do it still, you know.
Where I ask boy for me.
Never say how you do it still, you know.
Cause when woman and them man lay down for pillar and chat out where you
so
tell them
say. No, what make you behave so?
Me not
I want you
tell
in
no
an
girl
argument.
nothing.
Me say I want you in an argument. I want look something ask you.
You see, you bring the money come. Me no want you ask me nothing.
So look more you get it.
And that me they make you know.
Look more you get it.
Say if you want for me and for your friendship broke, don't come with people business and not give me the money first. You give me the money first and then we chat about people business. And if you ask me something and me say and that me say me go tell you. So now come and so. No do that again, my friend. Remove yourself.
God, I just that me
Remove
come. I
yourself.
tell man, I just that me come access to you see me.
And don't make me spit. I ain't no jai. I ain't no move. All skirmish. Refugee. Nah no bed. Nah no. Hey. You see. Alright, me not say nothing, man. Boy, come here, give me money, you come with people business. Me call a girl a man there, a man car. Me not understand this, you know. Hey, girl, let me tell you something. You see, next time, me show you a pre, and you go back go chat, you not go like it. How you mean if me people are scandalize me name on the road? Eh? A little man if you come give me one money that a gatti friend, your man dirty thinking gatti. In friend if you come give me one piece of food, the food miss me now because the man don't ask me say if I me I carry news still. Hey, let me tell you something, you know. You see the next time you come on my yard, me they go run it from my yard. Cause guess what? You come mash up my money tree now. And when you come with the problems, I may tell you say, yes, Cal, search your man phone. You look like say your man go down for a pillar. And you go call back my name. So Gatti now, and this a man I know. Sit down and a gossip about me. So if you got to carry the money, come give me. Hey, let me tell you something, Amanda. Don't come back at me here with the problems, because your man a crosses. I know I bring me money tree and no crosses this. Hey, Amanda, listen to me. Me done with you. Me done with your friend today. Because you see money. Me don't know more friend girl like that me say. You see money. Me love money more. Me say, hey, listen. Me done with you. No call back the number and me go change it. No come back at me yard. If you ever come back at me yard, man, then I go like it. Nonsense, rubbish. I don't thinking Gatti. You know like me, no. Cause me want to tell girl story. But man, they chat too much, man. You could tell back him man and me tell her say.
Babe, I know say we had a rough morning this morning and thing, but are you my love? You understand? I want to say I love him and I mean no thank you love. See? And you understand, so I don't spend as much time as I should with you in certain circumstances because I'm too busy at work. And when a customer don't feel like say boy because me all over them can't spend the money for me, can't book some certain way. You don't know anything about. You know what I mean? Are you my love? And nothing can change that. Yeah, you listen to me, babe?
I'm here talk to.
Are you me to talk to? Because I say I don't really want, you know, to come around enough so I don't want the man them feel like, you know, they can't spend money because bar there. I know a certain man feel already, so if me all over you a certain way and I pressure you, you know, they're not going to check you a certain way. Allow me to tell you.
Listen to yourself.
Me I listen to myself, yes, and me I listen to my words. But you listen to my words. Do you understand what I say
Yeah,
to you? Alright, you see, let me clear up the ear now. That girl, yeah, when name title, she really and truly has such a name on her WhatsApp. So when I see the number, I have to realize that she saved yours. Because that's a big disrespect, because nobody have the blessings that you have. You understand? So please accept my apology for that. I'm going to delete you already.
You know you come here so you really and truly come here so to apologize.
Yes, babe.
I still make me look like an idiot.
I am not.
As if me can't read or me blind.
No, what you see?
Me look dumb to you.
No, I'm not saying that, baby. You're not dumb. No, you're not. Baby, you're not dumb. And stop saying that. You see, the reason I'm there to talk to you this way is because I really value this relationship. You understand? Wow. So outside of everything else, and me know you have to forget what you did before. You have to forget, not true? You know, I start a relationship. Remember, say you ain't still have what that the man that find out. You remember that? I'm going to forgive you. You don't remember that part there? Eh? Hello?
Why you shake me hands over?
Me, can you not respond to me? You remember say that the man the way you talked about then and wait till you said.
Remember everything.
Because you say you're never too serious about the relationship and you know if it will get this part and wait till you remember? And guess who forgive you? Yours truly.
Wow.
So call it 1 for 1 then.
Congratulations.
What do you mean congratulations? remember say, even in a relationship, you're the only person grab me up. Because this man when we talk, so me put me on point. I feel away. Because I'm not that kind of person again. Only thing
Look,
me do
you
is...
see, I never bun me bun out to lax them out your head.
No, but I step me take your phone. So make you go on, so.
What you mean?
Yeah,
What make me go on, so?
So at no point we can work out things. Eh? We can work it out the way we're supposed to work out like a couple. Come on, and relax yourself. Eh?
You claim say you know I come here so because I
Yeah.
work my day
Yeah.
and I bar me at work and I don't want them and want to when me there me yard. All the time me there work.
No, but
Okay.
but sometimes when you come home, me say me soon come. And then alright. Let's talk about last night. Because last night is
How you look so? How you look so? You look fresh out. You see why you're fresh out? Hey. Chill, man. You were saying?
may I make you talk to your friend and then after you finish talking to your friend, may you come back.
Who tell us me I can finish what me I go want to still talk to you?
No, but babe. Don't shoot me, son. Let's go, man. I mean, man. Don't shoot me, son.
You know, man, you're manual. That you be. Manual.
When I done talk, I come back.
Or a mammal.
Later.
One and...
I go with girl. No man, I look at sinus.
You know say if it's happy?
I go with.
They are going normal.
Girl, I know me just talk to you on the phone. But me did have to go and check you. Because I can't believe you know for me a situation already. And if people come on my yard right now go ask me, if they ask me a question about how, what me tell her say?
Wait about. Wait, me confused. Me last.
What do you mean by you confused your last?
I only my
I say
man.
big tick.
I only my man me attack about the situation. So if any rumor spread at him,
So what on there?
me not go to nobody else.
You call my name?
No. Girl, you should have known me by now. Me not call her name.
Come me just take a light and cuff you. Cause the man,
You should have known me by now. Me have sense.
me money tree come over the yard and come back and ask me say if me tell her nothing. So me I say, what kind of style Amanda really depend? I see you could have fool girl.
And that me I try to show you. Yeah, come over here. No, you show you come cause he come here so a while ago and beg. Beg! Where me come here so and beg me for? And then the artist thing, you know. He might bring up this long time drama when me used to give him bun. Bear in mind, you know, we never take each other serious. So he should use that against me now. Because that's what really want to say no bad word right now, you know, because I try to.
You know, say, tell you the truth.
We nearly war over there, you know.
Eh? You know, so tell you the truth.
Right now, I tell you that, man.
I don't really want to hear your business no longer. I don't want to hear your business again.
So you come and suffer then?
Because guess what? You see you not call my name, but me how a strong mind say you call my name. You see people like you, you're not to be trusted. You're not to be trusted. Because if that the boy they can come over my yard, I can't ask me that a question, that means say, yeah, your man did a gossip about my name. Me surround there gossip. So me tell us if you go in on the man's phone. You look at the cross, sister, because my mama have you know. Me tell us if you go in on the man's phone. And you know want to go in there, so me take the man's phone from you and search. And me say twice how. And I look in there and see where I take the man and I tell you. And I can't believe I go and call my name. You know what? You say no call my name, make it rest. Everything good. Every single thing good, Amanda. I know why you tell me boy you cross this man problems them again. Watch out now. Me I go left here. Me I go left. Later.
What's your problem? What is it?
I don't know how to make this right, but I want to make it right. And I'm sorry, I'm in an office, so sorry in a different language. I have to try and make this right. Yeah? Look up my knee.
Akama.
I'm not that calm. Mom, look up my knee, so.
Akama. I reach you.
What time you come home?
What do you mean what time I come home?
What time you come home? Talk to me now.
Me not come home.
Yeah, come home, babe. But what time you come home? Just stop be stubborn. You be stubborn from whole day. I mean, understand, say, yeah, you're vexed. Yeah, me get it now. Me get the picture now. Just make me
Hello! I'm a workplace so they tone down when you talk to me.
No, but you louder than me. You know louder than me right a while ago.
I'm not business, I need to tone down your voice.
What time you come home?
What time you always come home?
You know.
You're not even know.
Oh, baby, not no
I
specific
know why you
time.
don't know. Because you holiday yard.
Yeah, because...
So if it's day yard, you don't know the exact
Yeah, but
time.
if you work, babe, if you work, you know my work already, phone calls and certain things and, you know,
You have to
to move. Yeah.
You have to work in another woman's hole.
Stop that now, no? You can't
Stop
stop that. It's like you love that topic there. That topic that's sweet or something. School, man, I make listen to me later. Alright, so when you come home later, say, me go bring everything we need. Like pizza.
Let me tell you something, you can't bribe me with food. Who I call you? You see what I'm talking about? Go on.
A business, look, a business.
A business?
A
Who named
business.
Tamika?
Business.
Who is Tamika?
You know Tamika from down at the factory?
Who named so?
You remember Tamika from the factory?
Which factory?
Down at the factory.
Fear factory you working at?
Lord of...
A fear factory you working at?
Something not going on with you.
Something going on with
Babe,
me?
listen to me, I say. Make sure the phone call, it's not like a phone call and come in. Later on, we'll make it happen. Yeah?
Make what happen?
I buy your pizza, we are sung, and we are eat popcorn, and we are the other things we like. Come here, show you attention this evening. That alright with you? Eh?
You think I only this evening want attention?
No, we are
That
start
makes
from
sense.
this evening. We are start from this evening. That's all I'm going to say to you. That alright? Talk to
Go
me.
on.
That alright?
Me don't talk, go on.
Come with me now.
Me no wanna hug for you, brother.
Me want up front.
Me no wanna
On
hug.
top, come on, brother. Come here, brother. Come on, man. Come here, man. Relax, man. You look nice. Nice hairstyle and everything. Eh? Later we talk, yeah? Alright?
So go on.
Later we talk. Alright? Hello?
Me hear you.
Stop being so stubborn. Later we talk. I true me no want people see me at school, man. I was done talk, but I don't want nobody go see and say, boy, girl, you're born and ready to so they know come to my bar, come spend. You know it's chopping, right? Later, you babe? Love you. Love you. Not the matter. Love you. Later, you babe?
Judge me for things I say.
Well,
Should
alright,
I
yeah.
apologize? Things didn't work your way. Is there a fee I've got to pay? You're working hard to hurt my feelings. It ain't working. Do you still believe in love?
Yeah!
Bad
That's fine.
Is it just a word you say?
Boy, bad dress, man. Go and good sound, you know.
Man.
No, some not like your style, no bad dress.
Hold on, man.
Not like your style, no bad dress. Then day me a call the phone, my youth. No, me can get you a beard. Me say me a go beard and me change my mind from go beard and say me a call link here, you know.
Brother, you know what I'm going?
Oh, go on. Let me know what go on. Talk to me. Talk
You
to
know
me.
if push come to shove.
Mm.
You don't really want me link you up certain ways, but
Yeah, what go on?
we go link up no man, you know.
Mm.
And you show me off like the brother what me and tell you so right now, I feel like I want to here tonight. You know, just fire there tonight. So, you know, if you can't understand, just cancel.
Bad dress, man. No bad dress. I don't saw this thing working on bad dress. Bad dress, you make me know say you are forward and I have plans. I will plan already. I'm link up couple of me boy them and I link mama not there.
No, you man.
Yeah, I'm link mama, I'm link couple girl and make them know say roar. We are touch road tonight. No bad dress, man. You can't do that. You mad. You can't do that bad dress.
Bro, we talk to you man already, we buy all the popcorn and buy pizza. Cause you really love your girl, brother. And
Love.
to be honest with you, yeah, man.
What you say, bad ras? Love. Me pussy. No, bad ras, man.
No, brother. You hear me, sir?
No, bad ras.
Love flex this
No, bad ras. You throw that a bush, bad ras. You step on that, walk on that every day, bad ras. No, bad ras. What you say, man? What you say to me?
You know why, man.
Bad ras. I soft, you soft up between, you know, bad
no,
ras.
no matter that, but if you're a woman, stick by a certain way.
No, I'm
really
going
and
to
truly,
stick bad ras, man. You don't let me know what I want bad ras. And there's something I'm not like now, you know.
No, alright, here, I'm sorry about what we talk
No,
about
man,
earlier.
you can't tell me sorry, man. We are man. You tell me no sorry, man. You can't tell me sorry. No, I hear no sorry, bad ras. Because from what you notice, you know bad ras. You move sherms, you know bad ras. You know move good, you know bad ras.
No, you hear me, that's cool. Yeah, I like you tell, brother. Remember, say we make it flex, you know, even last night, bro.
Yeah.
But me I say,
But watch out, how long
that
before that? No, bad ras. How long before that? Me no see you.
oh, yeah, good while look at me try to
Right. Bad ras. But watch out, man. Remember, you know. You see, once a player, always a player, bad ras. You can't settle down right now. Bad ras, you're mad. Bad ras, you're mad. Now, them, bad ras, how are you here about? Bad ras. A style, me no bad ras.
Yeah, so, you don't leave the girl in my sister.
Then, could I go and tell her this some link girl and then me I go change up my mind.
Alright, after tonight then, me now go.
You know, do
yeah, me have to gear. No, me live with owner for gear if not day, bro.
But bad ras, how what time now bad ras? Why time now bad ras?
The next 2 hours before she come in and say.
Bad ras.
Alright, here we are.
What time man?
No, listen to me I say.
Yeah.
When we do road and do stuff, we can't spend one night like last night. That's all me I say. You understand me I say? Deal?
Bad ras. I win him night all, you know. Not bad the foolishness, bad ras. I win him night all, you know, bad ras.
Bro, alright, here we are say. After tonight, me not lie up. You have to take a break. So,
Bad ras,
we have
I
to do
don't
road.
care what you want to
Yeah,
do
do
after tonight, bad ras. You go on road.
So hold on. I see him sexy girl from
No man, something hotter, something fatter, and something rounder. Yeah man, English pound you're talking about.
What?
Yeah man.
Alright. So, yo, now get ready.
Alright, now go hold a beer and
Yeah,
fall.
now get ready. So, same time.
Now tell me about now same time, me come pick you up, myself.
Alright, boss.
Just tell mama say we have a one local construction work where we have a look
Factory.
on site, no, we have a site scene. We go on the work, just
Alright. Easy, that's look up. Who that? Who that?
And me. Oh, God, brother.
Yeah, what now? I want now. On top of the promise. What?
You know, say from you look boy.
Yeah, I can't look boy.
No, me say from you a look boy.
Yes, sister. Where is it?
You always have some good things. But guess what? You make bad company. Lead you astray. I when I used to go to school, you used to probably don't see spit in them in your class and you're a bright boy. No, you have a good woman in your life, bro. And what you do? You go out with single man. Man we no want nobody. Man we grown and...
So who tell them something? Who tell them things?
Just listen to me.
Me I listen, but me ask you a question also. Who tell them something then?
Bro, me ears
I
and
feel
eyes everywhere.
I feel man call you and tell them something. I'm on the call you.
Amanda not call me.
Because I know say you and she not really feel like that, but
Exactly.
but I don't understand why.
But you have a good woman and you make friend and lead you astray. How you feel the parrot Bulby? Bulby is a good man. Bulby is nobody. Bulby is not your type of company, bro. You can't depart Bulby and you have a nice woman in your place and feel like everything go alright. Bro, man up, stand up for your woman. The girl rate you and respect you and something. And every time you go out there.
So I say I can't have a drink. Me go have a drink.
Yeah, yes, you can have a drink, but
So
have
that-
a drink. How? How you have a drink,
Me
bro?
go have a drink and come here.
And come back drunk, turn idiot, not have time for your woman. Every time you come, you're gone, left your woman. That I have time for your woman. Bro, mommy don't grow your son. Mommy grow me as a family person. And how me hear you move, bro, you not move like you're a family man. You move like say you're single and you are in a relationship. That's how you move. You need to be a better person.
Yo, I can't say come over to me. Eh? You remember when me call her, me show you what I go on with Amanda, you remember say she never steady in her first part?
Listen, me
You
know
remember
say
that part,
Amanda never
Yeah, so
dep
why
on the
not?
right track in her first
So why me
place.
can't have like a fun little bit now?
Oh, it's a spy thing. And what goes around come back around thing now? No, no, so life go. A girl change because of you. A girl change because she love and respect you. So that no means that you feel abuse the situation. You don't feel do that, bro. Be a man. Respect your woman. Take up things in your hand. Leave bad company alone.
So because you turn church man, you feel like if your eyes come to me. Eh?
And I say me feel like I always gonna counsel you know. But when me see my brother go down the wrong
And because you
path.
stop bleaching and something now you feel like say me come check me and talk foolishness. Eh?
Yeah, they go down the wrong path, so me come here for turn your back. For me can go up on the next
So who
road.
call you?
Me not tell you who call me. But just know say me I hear things.
Alright boss. Me hear you. Me hear you.
And remember,
What?
you're a family man.
Yeah, well,
Remember. Yeah. I don't even know. You love bad company. You love all the negative things them too much. Me know some man fi have fun, but have fun how? You have to know fi have fun. Have fun with a woman. Care out a woman. You understand me, bro?
yo, look, come on, I don't know what you want me to say. What you want me to say?
Oh.
Who send you? Alright, look, come on, cause time really running for
So
me.
where Amanda then?
She not there at work.
Oh. So, you know, just have a wonderful day. And remember, look into yourself and see where you do wrong and correct it. Because and as water guy butter my water and rock, take a time for rock. Try and know that.
You there? Me a forward, man. Me a forward. Yo, me don't test me a forward, the brother. Want to relax the man? Me soon forward, see? Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. And you call him already? Eh? You not call her? Call him, bro. Brother, me can't spend, yo, we ain't sure I'm planning to spend long over there, you know. See? Alright, cool. Me a forward. Alright, me a forward. Me a come now. Yeah. Alright.
God. Bartender, we're too special now.
I'm getting up trouble like girl or something. Eh?
Nice, man.
Mama, me have money, so you're too special, yeah? General! I hold them.
Let's say I go on.
Brother, what the girl in there?
Then the pan way, my friend. Wait a man.
Ah.
Man. Then the pan way.
A white rum? Look like a white rum, brother. General.
Cheers,
Yeah,
long
man.
life and
Long-
prosperity
I
and
tell
more catty a player.
More-
Will always be a player.
I mean, eyes the bartender, General, eh?
Yeah, man, she know too.
But bro, I tell you, say, yo, today was a rough day, brother. I tell you that.
I don't know, I chew.
Rough day, but guess what? I'm glad I'm forward still, because for me, she can't vex, so. You can't vex.
Yeah, man, don't fish if you beg.
You can't vex, man.
You tell her, say.
No, you mad?
No.
You can't tell her.
Say we are go for one.
No, I can't tell her, brother.
Like you gear the one day already, man.
No, exactly, because I tell her I don't know she'll lose half of me. Big time, man. You know what I mean? And if she lose half of me after this situation.
So you left your yard, then I make my man know say you left your yard. Oh.
Brother, you mad? That's why I say rope strap, we can't spend them 1 hour. But where girl them dead, bro? Call them for your phone,
Then
bro.
they pan in way, me say, man.
Call them, brother. Call them, man.
Alright, watch out.
Shoot out on phone call, brother. You're going like, say, oh, a flu you have at yourself. Call the people, them, man.
Flow.
It's like a flu you have, brother. Sneezing.
Phone ring there.
Tell me the bartender walk out, man. Sexy, them, Joe.
Boy.
If you're long, you move and twist.
Hello. You say I forward see me. Oh, you carry a big body friend too, you know. Yeah, man, you go for one look detour around one bar, one ends. Alright, baby. Me a wait. You 3 of your friend them, because me have 3 of my friend them soon link me and me and one you with me already. So watch you know. You have to go get extras too. Cause party, we have party today, you know.
Bartender, I'm change it.
Alright, I'm depend on you here.
Anyway,
Man.
brother, make
Same
sure.
again friend them too, you know.
So then, I know you just a call.
No, I call them already. But them a tell me say a taxi them a look for come on foot. Remember where them live, you know? They don't live where like come here you get taxi fast and them not live like that, you know.
Brother, no, say that's the next thing we need to talk about. Brother, we stop walk, go a bar like a papa. Walk, we walk in and walk out. Brother, alright, so push come through, if you stop drink, buy a car, and then we come back and start drinking for some of the case. But we can't walk go a bar. Right now, if a man drive up in a Benz and now we are talking to them together. Then go and left way.
My friend, I'm sure you pray.
Eh?
Them buy no food them neither in a barrows.
Yeah, but
So,
but
yeah, no, man, you come like a feelings a catch over a girl
no,
them
but
already and
the man go unbarrow them from. Yo, brother, I'm gonna tell you something, man. If me come out, if me fall out and me say me a do the vibe, more and do the vibe straight. But brother, call back the girl and brother, yo, a long time with this and you know. Brother, how for this I drink, I go down
Right,
and
that was go on. That was really a go on.
Brother,
That was really a go on.
Yo,
No.
me not lying, like me I think about for boom still because yo, me think about my woman, me I say.
Man, you know, say, yo, how go on? You move so.
No, yo, me
Wait,
tell you
man,
what,
you
I just
bad
start me.
and foolishness, man. Yo,
Brother, I
watch
just
out,
think
man.
I think, brother, I school
Me
man.
no woman. Yeah, one girl where you left. Cause watch out, man, when you do road, want do road and not think about nobody.
Brother,
You just
but-
do road, brother.
No,
Watch out, man.
No.
Watch out, man. No, man. You have to left the one B, them, man. The one B, they mash up your brain too much.
Bro.
You have to go left the one there. You know, like, yo, yeah, like, you
Me don't like how
can't
that sound.
be-
Me don't like how that
No,
sound, brother.
man,
That sound
you-
a way like you fight against the relationship we have.
No, I'm
You
not fight
understand?
against a
But
relationship.
I saw your
you know.
but I saw your
But watch
sound,
out,
but what you tell me something left right, brother? I
Cause-
room I get your head, brother.
No,
Yo, brother,
listen.
stop drink. What kind of room is that? What kind of room is
Yo,
that?
what I'm telling you?
What kind of room that,
Yo, me
brother?
room alone, man. No, I'm telling you. Watch
Brother,
out,
yo,
man.
me don't know what I go on.
Listen, man.
Why can I change? I can't look at
Yo,
me left the place,
yo,
I
listen,
know.
man. Left the one girl, man. I'm telling you,
No,
man.
man, I can't left, brother. She
Yo,
did it
man,
for me,
you
thick
can't
and
what?
thin, brother. A long time
You
you shop
can't
for
what?
I long this time
you
I
never
for
apply
the
before you meet
Yeah,
her.
but me.
So what? Me not tell you say you left the girl and me you just do road and you can book better girl and
Brother,
prettier girl on
because-
road. Look, you want a big body girl on road right now, slim as they have some thick as you can't even manage good. You there whole heap of girl on road, white, black, Chinese, Indian, every type of girl. But you run down one.
Because that one.
Remember, we not done tour yet and we not half yet ready for top tour yet. You right?
Yo, listen
So,
me, I say.
me
Listen
no
me, I
want
say.
you go on like say you want come
Alright,
Sherms
call
on
back
the
the
thing,
girl.
no.
Call back the girl.
Me not call him back,
they don't
man.
come back in the
No, me
next
not
5
call
minutes.
him back, man. Me not call him back.
See, bartender give me change. But bartender, how much you want especially, man? Yo, brother, see everything I raise. I time for raise food steak and left them type of life,
That me I
brother.
try tell you.
Brother,
So if you left the girl alone, cause I try
what
probably
kind of
tell.
rum is that? Yo, you know kind of heavy.
No, man.
Like a Quaco vibes, this sir.
Yeah, man, me take
Eh?
it to man, but through me here in a deep conversation, me leave her meds, but still and still have left the girl there. Watch y'all a bus gas.
No, man, it's a tea. It's a must ginger tea. What kind of rum is that make you the belt, sir? You ever drink a rum and belt so
So
much?
your sound already.
Brother,
One cup, you know.
But I say, brother, what? And not even one cup here, bro.
Aye,
Man, hey, bartender, come here, bartender.
sound like yeah, go on. No, sir.
Yeah, me I say. Me I come go on me yard.
No, man, no, man.
Because them girls what you talk about coming like it's a mystery. Right now, I feel like, as I done say a while ago, I just mash up my life. Because me don't tell me I try make qualms and
No bother the
mom.
foolishness, man.
You
No bother
understand me,
the
I
foolishness.
say?
Yo, watch out, man.
Yo, you hear me?
No bother the
You
foolishness.
have to go cut.
No, man.
You have to go cut.
If you cut, no, remember me, I go pray, you know. And you know, when I pray, you know, don't cut, you know. We are drink two juice. A long time here, you know, what I really drink certain we as a two big friend from a long time.
Brother, right now, me I go to
Bartender!
I joke business right now. Alright, so why me have to spend it and buy first with rounds?
Come in by now.
Why me have to spend and buy first, right? And me have a woman and me have to take care of. You understand me? Because she even said she want to start. You see her here, she and me start out her here.
So yeah,
Who are ears and sitting
then what if me tell you say somebody jump your fence one day?
Eh?
Yeah, man.
But I don't see a violate right now. Alright, here what go on now. You see me realize what you do now. You try to mash up my thing. Yo, hold the rum, brother. Drink off the rum. From right now, from today, yo, we will never in a one situation like this.
Watch out, man. Stop being say I'm being too dramatic now.
I mean dramatic, but
you mean?
you
tell us say somebody jump your woman fence and then.
When we jump woman fence, we are talking about from woman fence with the nice song. Brother, I tell you, I tell you, I'm a rich man, brother. You come talk a fool.
No, listen to me, man.
Brother, I'm in the depot. You think you wanna go?
No, me never say woman a go.
So
you don't know when them a go do when them a go bombard, clip up the flowers.
Yo, you see you got too far now, brother. Yo, you hear me? Yo, look at my answer.
Yo, then put on me rum.
I'm gonna pay for you. Forget. Give me my rum. Yo, give me my rum. What have to do?
Yo, me don't like this man style, you know. Right now, you violate, you know. I want to bartender. You see this man here? Not serve him again. He listening.
I'm tired. What's up? No, sir. Can't believe this. I'm gonna put on my lighter. Look like you mean when you say. No, what? Jaja. This man have me talk to myself again. I this love the two people. I will never wake him. Should I or should I not? And what's the mega wake him? Come up in with her. B. No man, this not feel right. No, if I laugh, I'm dead. I want this. Alright. No, never do. Nasa 40. 39 good.
Babe. I know how that's.
So say a real idiot you take me for.
No, sing us. We make too much mistake for this a weekend. For this a day. For this a month. For this a lifetime. But believe me when I say, we're done with it. I'm gonna be honest with you, and I'll lay everything on the table and tell you. You know, say my friend when I try to draw me out. I drink one little rum. A long time I drink, and you know, say, you know,
You not have to tell me say that drink rum come can smell it for you.
Fine. And my friend when I draw me out. And I can't believe, say, me really get tricked by this situation. So it's like, you know, I live in a house and I live with a total stranger for the past days. I apologize. I'm sorry. Please accept my apology this time sincerely. Because I know now what to do. I tell him even at the bar and I tell him say, man, I go to a man. You know a man tell me say, bar babe? A man tell me say, film relationship, in a relationship, so me fe, watch mosquito, me fe mash up that one here. So when he starts to that, now I start to himself say, no man, you know me no good then. But I can't want to tell him, I gotta be honest with you, I can't want to tell him what the fact say. You will not give me a little problem in the first part of the relationship, but when I reason it out to myself, we never serious. You understand? When just a try to build and you wanna say I try to get out of a certain situation, you just get out of a situation. And for me, we never really understand it because I'm jealous when I kick in. And believe me, I'm sorry. I don't know if you can accept my humble apology. This will never happen again. You know, like all the scent of the rum right now. You hear me? You believe me?
Me if accept your apology. Will you ditch me again?
Baby,
And that's what I try to say.
look at me, I said, run, come home. Run, come home. Rain and fall a little bit. Place little damp. Run, come home. You see sun still in the sky. Make sure I come and turn promises I want to eat the popcorn and pizza. You know, see pizza and this and popcorn? Talk to me.
Listen. You see this whole scenario? I wonder if you hear what me say. You hear what me say?
I hear you say.
This whole entire scenario, including the relationship, it done. Read my lips. It D-O-N-E done.
Alright. You understand what I said? But listen. I beg you to find a place. You remember when we just meet? Remember that day there? You remember that day? Talk to me now.
Like me always say, me don't forget nothing.
Yes. You remember that day there? You remember we promised together? You remember that promise there? Come on,
Are
talk
you
to me now.
if you ask if you remember that?
Yeah, you know, nothing in life comes easy. And you know that, you know, we have something good going on. And if we never have something good going on, we don't have people are fighting. And people love to fight good things. And if we follow people, we're going to lose the good things that we have until we realize we have good things. What we have what they want, you know.
They are people.
Us together. You understand? Listen to me, I say. When we meet and we talk, we say forever. Remember? Through thick and thin. Nobody make because the thicker go on and the, you know, you run out upon thin line. Make you forget them promise them. I'm sorry. And you see from today, if we say we're going to sit down and eat the popcorn and pizza watch the double movie. You understand? One movie just come on in my haunted house. We watch the double movie and we go enjoy ourselves. Let's start from tonight. You hear me?
You know, hear
Actions speak louder than words. Me hear what you say, but your mouth I say, you know that. I know your heart. I can't see it in your face, you know. You're upset, and that's fine. Me give you a right to be upset with me. You hear me I say?
Me not deaf.
Yes, me hear me. I know you're upset now. But give me a little time. Come and watch the TV. Sit down with myself. I want to ask me rubber foot. Put my foot them now. I want to ask me rubber foot them. And them something there. I'll make sure I say. So I put your foot in this one. You hear me?
If me stand up on the whole day, what you expect?
I rub it down for you. I get one cut. I go for your eye. Remember that eye there? I used to say eye la hole, you know? Eye la hole me! I go for your eye. This one come here.
I saw me not do that.
See Ella. Yeah. You really feel sad? Me nah go. Alright. Actually, you must talk higher emotions.
You know what say? I
Whoa, he might come back, little bit. Whoa, thank you, Jesus.
I see you know I love you, you know.
Come here, man. Come here, man.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Public report again. Yeah. Why do you judge me for things I say? Should I apologize? Things didn't work your way. Is there a fee I've got to pay? Your